Want to fix YouTube search bar not showing error? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix YouTube search bar not showing issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Now, type in YouTube. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This will fix any bugs in the app. Now open the app and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now tap on apps. Now tap on the search bar and here type in YouTube. Select that. Here tap storage, then tap clear cache, then select clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, head back. Now tap force stop, tap on OK. Next thing you want to do is tap on permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are allowed over here. After this, you want to restart your device. After restarting, launch open YouTube and this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.